Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to be discussing about this particular website come across on YouTube that is claim you can actually make up to 4,800 naira from this particular website. Truly, you're going to make money from this particular website, but what exactly do you need to do to make money from this particular website? Let's find out. I actually went through this particular website and then I realized something. After what Nigeria have been through, we all know if you're Nigeria watching this video, you should know about CBS. It's something similar to it, so do not fall into this particular scheme again. Let me show you how the website looks like. And some people are actually referring people on this to this particular website. You don't need to invest money before you refer people. I want you to know that you don't site. So if you're seeing this face for the very first time, welcome. Thank you for clicking on my video. So let's get straight to the name of this particular website is called Avast Staking. So as you can see, it's all relates to cryptocurrency too. So you're going to be registering, putting your phone number, password. I'm not saying you should go and register, but if you want to contribute, give it a try. But please watch the video to the end, or shall watch this thing to the end before you make your conclusion. So if you have interest, I will be dropping the link in the description box. So please, I'll be advising you at the end of the video. So hit to the advice and don't say I did not tell you. So as normal process, put in your password, the referral code, and click on register. After registration, this will pop up. Make sure you go through it. As you can see, you're going to be staking AVAX, and hand daily return anyhow, and hand daily return of 9% to 35%. So make sure you go through their rules and regulation. In beginner invites one valid member and enjoy a 3-tier commission. Like, did you get? So as I said earlier, people that referred you, they don't need to put any money. They are just going to get their own money through you that they refer. I don't know if you get that point. So these are their what's it called, any stuff, any plan or whatever, any rules. So just go through it. Principal, you can see $9. You are going to be earning 0.81 USDT. Data will be 9.81 USDT. So you can, and moreover, you can actually stake your money there for like 2 weeks to 365 days. That's 1 year. Decrease. Anyways, so please, my advice, as for me, I'm not going to be putting my dime in this thing, and I'm not posting the referral link there because I want to get money from this particular website. I'm only placing the referral link there because I want you to check it out too. Referral program on this particular space is free, totally free. So if you have that mind to refer people to this particular website to make money, you can go ahead and do it. But for me, I don't have that kind of mind. So that's why I'm here to always expose all those Ponzi scheme websites. So if you have not subscribed to my channel and you've watched to this particular length, so please do subscribe and join the family. And also, I would like you to comment, even if it's just an emoji, I will appreciate it. Alright guys, that will be the end of today's video. See you in the next one, and do take care of yourself.